Hi all, today I am going to explain about smart irrigation system using IoT. The requirements we need for this project are Arduino, jumper wires, soil moisture sensor, motor, plant and USB connector. Now coming to the connection part, A0 pin of moisture sensor is connected to the A0 pin of Arduino Uno. The ground pin of moisture sensor is connected to the ground pin of Arduino and ground pin of motor is also connected to the ground pin of the Arduino. The VCC of motor is connected to the fourth pin of the Arduino and the VCC of moisture sensor is connected to the 5 volts of Arduino. The connection part is completed and now coming to the programming part. We are taking two variables here. The first variable is sensor pin and we are assigning A0 pin to that variable. Means we take A0 as input here, and now coming to the next, we are taking another variable as output value. Coming to the setup function, serial.begin is a function. It sets the data transmission rate in 9600 bits per second. And now we are printing the statement reading from the sensor in the serial monitor, and now we are setting the fourth pin as output pin, and here takes delay of 2000 microseconds. It means the moisture sensor senses the soil and reading the values. It takes some time. Now coming to the loop function, the analog reader is a function. We are reading the input which is coming from the A0 pin, that is our sensor pin, and assign that value to the output value variable. And now here map is a function. It takes the arguments are the output value what we are taking, and now here 550 to 0 is one range and 0 to 100 is another range. Here the 550 to 0 is the high to low. It means the soil is, we are taking the soil is wet when it gets 550 value, and after 0 to 100 we are taking the soil is dry. And now we are printing that moisture in the serial monitor and the value which is coming from the map function in that serial monitor. And now we are taking a condition that if the output value is less than 0, means if the soil is dry we are getting negative values. It means the fourth pin will get high. It means the motor will automatically on and it pumps the water to the plant. Else in this condition the fourth pin becomes low. It means the motor will automatically off. For this, for doing all this, we have taking delay of 1000 microseconds.